Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, here I will present about potential of solar power plant in Jombang Regency. However, before starting the presentation, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Wanda Misi Agustin, student ID number 19411500025. I am studied in electrical system at Polytechnic State of Malang. Indonesia as a country located on the equator has abundant energy sources, including fossil and non-fossil energy sources. However, until now, most of the energy produced and used come from fossil, which is 95% of the total energy mix. The high level of dependence on fossil energy, which is relatively limited in number, can trigger an energy crisis in this country. Therefore, renewable energy is one of the energy sources that can meet energy needs and contribute to the national energy mix and assist effort to mitigate the impact of global climate change. This energy source is used almost all over the world, which has utilized renewable energy as a strategic energy source to anticipate the energy crisis. Jombang Regency is a regency located in the central part of East Java Province, Indonesia. The district has a height of 44 meters above sea level and is 79 kilometers from the southwest of Surabaya, the capital city of East Java Province. Here, you can see some data like specific photovoltaic power output, direct normal irradiation, global horizontal irradiation, diffuse or horizontal irradiation, global tilt irradiation at optimum angle, optimum tilt of PV module, air temperature, and the last terrain elevation for Jombang Regency. Component and working principle of solar power plant. First, solar panel function to convert sunlight into electrical energy, and the electricity produced by solar panel is direct electricity or DC current. Second, solar charge controller. Solar charge controller serve to regulate and stabilize the voltage generated by the solar panel. Electrical energy from this controller is divided into two, namely to household applications that use direct current or DC, and also to the battery for storage. Third, battery. The battery function to store electrical energy and is useful for the use of electrical energy when there is no sunlight. For the example at night, the battery also functions to collect direct electrical energy before it is converted by the inverter. Fourth, inverter. Inverter serve to convert direct current from the battery into alternating current or AC current. Inverter are used because generally household applications use AC current. 5. AC load. For the example, refrigerator. And the last, DC load. Advantage of solar power plant. Renewable energy source. The solar power plant use sunlight, so This energy will remain as long as the sun shines, and the sun is the most abundant energy on this earth. Environmentally friendly. Solar power plants do not produce pollution in their operation because solar cells do not produce such effects such as combustion fumes produced by fossil fuels and so on. The 5,000 megawatt energy produced by solar power plant, when converted, is equivalent to planting 18,000 trees, saving 1.5 million diesel fuels for diesel power plant, and preventing carbon dioxide emission from PLTD as much as their 3.6 million tons. Easy in terms of maintenance, and the last easy in the installation process because it can be installed anywhere. It does not require a heavy and fixed construction so that it can be installed anywhere and can be moved if needed. Disadvantage of solar power plant: lower efficiency compared to other generators, influenced by weather and climate, high investment, installation, and component cost, and the last, land acquisition. Constraint of implementing solar power plant in Jombang Regency. Actually, Jombang district has great potential in the application of solar panel or solar power plant. However, solar power plant in Jombang district is hampered in land acquisition, so that the application of solar power plant is still on a small scale, namely in public street lighting. The implementation of this solar power plant also has problem in terms of maintenance. Many of these solar power plant public street lighting development projects have stalled, and even some of their components have been stalled. This is because the solar power plant public street lighting is located in an area that is relatively quiet and vulnerable at night, such as on Ring Road, Mojoagung. Constraint of implementing solar power plant in Jombang Regency. In this picture, it is clear that some of components in the panel box have been lost. So this public street lighting cannot turn on at the neck. The government should supervise the solar panel that have been installed and related bodies so that they can carry out panel maintenance accordingly. Thank you. If you have any question, please write them in the comment. See you. Bye bye.